Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut out image in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to cut out image, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, you just simply have to open any of the existing projects or create a new project where you want to cut out the image. I'm opening this existing project of mine. Now, in order to do this, you can use two different ways. The first one is to select the picture that you want to cut out and then use this crop feature into here. Just simply manually crop the picture as much as you can and then export the final results. But as you can see here, I will still get background color into here, so I cannot truly cut out the desired image by using the crop feature. Now, in order to cut out only the picture of the lady, you will have to tap into this expand option and you will get the option of background remover. But in order to do this, you will have to get a premium account of Canva. This is all you can do with the free version of Canva. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.